You live in an apartment and you want your cat feels at home. Here is some advice. You have just adopted a kitten or a cat and you want to give him everything that he needs to be happy in your home. While the notion of happiness is difficult to define in non-human species, what you are in fact looking for is to ensure his well-being. Welfare is defined as the extent to which an animal's environment matches its behavioral needs and expectations. If you live in an apartment, the particularities of the feline species require some adjustments. A cat that is free to roam outside has a living space of at least 3,000 square meters. It expresses all the behaviors inherent to its species within that space. It eats, sleeps, eliminates, explores, hunts, etc. While living with humans, cats must continue to be able to satisfy their behavioral needs. Apartment living can therefore be a challenge for some individuals. As such, it is important to enrich its environment. Enrichment consists in improving his living conditions and, from the animal's point of view, increasing his stimulation of the complexity of his behavioral expressions. It is important to vary and diversify the object of the enrichment. It is important to enrich the physical space by providing various places to sleep. It is also essential to provide elevated observation or hiding places. If you opt for a cat tree, choose a tall and stable one. Shelves or the top of a bookcase can also do the trick. If you have a balcony, secure it and allow him access as he pleases. Even an open, protected window can be very effective for enriching a cat's environment. Some cats want a perfectly clean litter box, which means it should be entirely cleaned every day. Covered or scented litters undermine cleanliness. Do not hesitate to consult the tutorial dedicated to this topic. Make sure to vary the toys he plays with. Do not throw them out and instead put them away and bring them out from time to time. To choose, observe your cat and give him what he appreciates. Food distribution should be done in a manner to allow your cat to have about a dozen meals over a 24-hour period. A water fountain can be very important for cats who prefer to drink from running water. The presence of another cat is not always recommendable. The feline species is solitary, and the presence of another cat can be very problematic for some individuals. Some cats are unable to adapt to life in an apartment and show signs of frustration, such as mewing or self-mutilation. If it is the case, consult your veterinarian.